Hello students, now we'll go for the question number 6 in 6.1. I'll read the given information, then draw the figure. Okay, here in this figure is not given, we have to find figure first, then only solve it. Clear children? It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of QYP. Reflex Q angle QYP we have to find. First, from this information you draw the figure. First one, what is given? It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64. That is given. Clear children? Yeah. First of all, what is here? X is the starting point. Suppose I am selecting this is the X here. Okay. And this is the Y. XYZ 64. Angle XYZ is equal to what is given? 64. Clear children? According to the information, angle XYZ is equal to 64. I am assuming this one. Okay, 64. Done. Come to the second condition. XY is produced to point P. This is XY. Yes. Produced to point P. This is produced up to point P. Clear children? XY is produced to point P. Next, draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects YQ, there is no Q. YQ bisects ZYP. I think we got angle ZYP. ZYP. Now YQ bisecting. We have to draw the ray YQ. Ray YQ bisects ZYP. Bisect is nothing but what is? Dividing into two equal parts. This is a Q. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP. Clear? Bisects means two equal parts. These two angles are equal. This one and this one both are equal. Yes? Now, asking question, find XYQ. Find XYQ. If you know, then add these two, you get it. And reflex of QYP. QYP. If you know, then other part you can find. Clear children? Yeah. Now 64 is given. Yes, using that we will find out. Okay. Now ray YZ. This is the YZ. Ray YZ stands on observe what is this one? Line. Angle P, line PYX. Line PYX. If line we know sum of these three angles is equal to what is? 180. Clear children? Yeah. Observe it. Angle XYZ. Angle XYZ. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYP. ZYP. Angle ZYP. So I am selecting like linear pair, you know. ZYP is equal to 180 degrees. What is this one? Linear pair. Clear children? PYX is a line. Angle XYZ, XYZ plus ZYP is equal to 180. That is a linear pair angles. Now XYZ is equal to what is 64? Apply in this 64 degrees plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degrees. 64 transpose right side. Angle ZYP is equal to 180 degrees minus 64 degrees. What is answer? 180 minus 64? It is 116. 116. What is the value that one? Angle ZYP is equal to 116. Clear children? Yeah. This complete angle, what is here now we got is 116. Clear? Now we have to find separate these two also. According to the condition, what is given? YQ is bisecting ZYP. Bisect means half of that one. Clear? Dividing into two equal parts. Okay. First we'll go for that one. Separately find out PYQ and QYZ. Right here, angle PYQ. Angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ. Also find out QYZ. These two are equal. We know because YQ bisecting is equal to half of angle ZYP. Half of angle ZYP. Clear children? These two angles are equal. What is the reason? Yes, what is the reason? Bisecting. Now, half into ZYP, just now we got 116. Cancel. 2 5s and 2 8s. Finally, what is answer? Therefore, angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ is equal to 58 degrees. Clear? This is the 58 degrees and here also 58 degrees. Now completed. Then what is asking question? Angle XYQ. XYQ. Yes? Then sum of two angles. 64 plus 58. And you will get it. Directly. First we will go for that one. Angle XYQ. Right here. Angle XYQ is equal to XYZ angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Angle ZYQ. XYZ value is, we know, it is a 64 and this value is 58. Add these two, 8 plus 4, 12 and 1, 6, 6, 1, 1, 2. What is this one? Angle XYQ. First one completed. Angle XYQ is what is? 112 degrees. Now reflex angle QYP. Angle QYP. Just observe here. This is the angle QYP. QYP. Clear children? What is asking reflex? Reflex means this part, other part. Okay? This part we have to find. How to find here? Just complete angle we know. What is complete angle? 360. 360 minus this QYP you do, will get it. Clear? It's a very simple thing. Right here, reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus complete angle minus QYP. QYP. Because we know angle QYP, this value is 58 degrees. 360 degrees minus QYP value. What is 58 degrees? Okay? 58 degrees. 360 minus 58. It's a 302 degrees. 302 degrees. What is this one? Reflex of QYP. Clear children? This is the answer. First answer XYQ is equal to what is? 112. Then reflex QYP angle QYP is equal to 302. Both completed I think. XYQ and Q reflex angle QYP is equal to 302 degrees. Clear children? It's a very simple thing. Using linear pair we are doing and even bisecting also.